Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to talk about the ultimate guide to keywords research for traffic that converts. Hey, welcome back again to the channel. If you're ready to drive more traffic to your website and boost your conversions, then you have come to the right place. Today, we are diving into the ultimate guide of keyword research for traffic that converts. Remember, traffic that converts, not just simple traffic. I know keyword research doesn't sound as exciting, as the least viral trends. But trust me, it's the backbone of your online success. Without the right keywords, your content can get lost in the void of the internet. But don't worry, I've got you covered. First things first. Why does keyword research even matter? Now, simple. The right keyword bring the right people to your website. And when you target high converting keywords, you're not just getting traffic, you're getting quality traffic that's more likely to take action. Traffic that will take action. And here's the thing. It's not about choosing just any keyword. It's about choosing the right ones. The ones that not only bring visitors, but get them to convert. Whether that means signing up for your email list, buying your product, or booking a call, or taking up your service. Step number 1, understand your audience. Before we dive into the tools and strategies, first step is to understand your audience, who they are, what problems are they facing, and how we can help them provide the best solution, or how you can provide them the best solution. Get inside their heads. You can't choose the right keyword if you don't know, what your audience is searching for. Ask yourself questions like, what are their pain points? What language do they use when they're searching for answers? And how do they phrase their problems? Once you know this, you're one step closer to finding the golden keywords. Number 2, use keyword research tools. Now that you know your audience, let's jump into tools. And no, you don't need a fancy expensive tool to get started. There are a ton of tools available and some of them are free and easy to use as well. Now, I'm going to share the top ones with you. First up, Google Keyword Planner. So Google Keyword Planner is a free tool, okay? And it gives you a ton of keyword ideas based on what you're already doing. All you need is a Google account. Don't worry, you don't actually have to spend any money on Google Ads to use it. Just type in a keyword related to your niche and voila, you'll get a list of related keywords along with the search volumes and competition ideas. There are many other tools that you can subscribe to them. For example, Ahrefs or SEMrush. These are not exactly free tools, but these are some good quality tools. All right. Now, these are perfect for those who want to dive deeper into keyword research but don't want to break the bank. That's the scenario behind it. Okay, now let's talk about long tail keywords. They are your secret weapon. I know you hear long tail keywords and it sounds a little intimidating, right? But here's the deal. These are longer, more specific keyword phrases like best affordable shoes for running in NYC instead of just typing running shoes. Long tail keywords may have lower search volume, but they come with lower competition and higher conversion rates because people using these searches are looking for something specific. And that's where the magic happens. For example, if you're selling shoes, targeting just shoes is super broad. Okay, it's like super broad and will get lost in the sea of the results. But best running shoes for flat feet or affordable shoes for outdoor hiking can help you attract people who are ready to buy. These buyers use long tail keywords or search terms to get desired result for their niche or specific demand that they have. Step number 4. Analyze your competitors. Don't forget to check out your competitors. See what the keywords they are ranking for. Use tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs to get a peek into their top performing keywords. You might find some gems that you're missing. But remember, don't just copy them, use them as an inspiration. If a competitor is ranking for a keyword you haven't thought of, it could be the perfect opportunity for you to go after that same keyword with better content this time. One more thing, it's not necessary that if a keyword is working for your competitor, will work for you as well. So do not make that mistake. Number 5, assess keywords intent. Now, here's a game-changing tip. Keyword intent. This is the intention behind the keyword. Is this person searching for information? Are they ready to buy? Or they are just browsing? For example, someone searching for how to write a blog post is probably looking for information, while someone searching for best blog writing services is likely looking to buy. These keywords that match the intent of your audience. You want to catch them at the right moment if their search journey is going on. Step 6. Optimize and track your keywords. Last but not the least, optimize and track your keywords. Once you have selected your winning keywords, make sure you use them naturally throughout your content, especially in the titles, headings, and meta descriptions. But don't overstuff. Use keywords naturally and always prioritize quality content. Google loves content that answers questions, not just keywords that are stuffed for the sake of ranking. And keep track of how your keywords are performing. Use tools like Google Analytics or Google Search Console to see how your ranking improves. And tweak your strategy as needed. So, to recap, here's how you can find the right keywords that will drive traffic that converts. Understand your audience. Use keyword research tools. Find long-tail keywords. Analyze competitors. Assess keyword intent. Optimize and track keywords. Keyword research doesn't have to be complicated. With the right approach, you can find keywords that not only bring visitors but also turn those visitors into loyal customers. And that's what it's all about, right? If you found this guide helpful, smash the like button, subscribe for more digital marketing tips, and drop a comment below if you have got any questions. I would love to hear about your keyword research strategies. And if you want any help, you can approach me as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video, where we'll be talking more about content marketing strategies that drive even more traffic. Till then, take care, have a nice time.